Hello guys, I am here in the Penitentiary Glenn and look at this beauty. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to focus my phone. Hang on. It's very hard to see, but it's a bald eagle. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not very often that you can see this kind of birds and like watch all their beauty and their wisdom that they have. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous, guys. Let's see. What else do we have here? Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. A fox! Look, it's so gorgeous. Hello, my lovely. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at him or her. Absolutely beautiful. Hi, baby. How are you? I wish I can give you a hug and a kiss. Oh, this is so lovely, guys. Let's see, we have here. This is a turkey vulture. Oh my. Amazing. He is so beautiful. I'm trying to focus because it's very hard to see with this fence, their faces, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful bird. I just want to point it out, guys, that this place is not like a zoo. This is like a sanctuary where they rescue these kind of animals, owls, foxes, vultures, turkeys, and they save them since they cannot go back to nature again. They are keeping them here in this place, and they take care of them for the rest of their lives until they passed away. So this is the only reason that I like the place. I don't like zoos, to be honest with you guys. I think that zoos are horrible, and all the zoos they should shut down, but not places like that. Sanctuaries that you can see the animals and admire them for who they are. Look at this. This is a peregrine falcon. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Amazing. I'm totally in love. Absolutely beautiful.